Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be reviewing two palettes from Colourpop. Like I said, I have two palettes from Colourpop. I have the Main Squeeze palette and I have the Blue Moon palette. So each palette is absolutely gorgeous. Let's start with the Main Squeeze, and this is based for, I'm pretty sure, a watermelon. And the colors in here are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And let's take a look inside, and there they are. And in this watermelon palette, there are 3 shimmer shades and 6 matte shades. And these right here on the end are your matte shades, and the 3 in the middle are your shimmer shades. They are, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So there's 1, and there's 2, and there's 3. I'm going to insert some swatches here so you guys can see what they look like all swatched. And I also did create a eye look with this palette, and here it is right now.
I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart, it's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key. One step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames.
Oh my gosh, isn't this palette absolutely stunning? I absolutely love it. This is definitely one of my favorite Colourpop palettes that they have, and this retailed for $12. You can't go wrong with Colourpop and the prices when they're only $12. Come on, that is absolutely amazing. And the next palette that I have is the Blue Moon palette, and that is what I am wearing today on my eye. The colors in here are vibrant, they're beautiful, and let's just open it up so I can show you guys what they look like. And this is them right here. And there is 4 shimmer shades in this one, and there is 5 matte shades in this one, and it's beautiful. Like I said, I did make this eye look with it today, and then swatch some of these shimmer shades. So we have Lumi and Billie Jean and Tide Pool. So let's just look at a couple of these. Oh my gosh, look at this. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh, they're absolutely stunning. And I also did a little step-by-step on how I achieved this eye look. So watch this.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming
And
of
this palette is also $12, so it is absolutely amazing. They're beautiful. I can't be upset with Colourpop. They make amazing products and they're always so reasonable. And I hope you guys like the review of the two new palettes from Colourpop, and here they are. So out of the two, this one is my favorite, but I also love this one too. So, but I would say with this one too, if you don't want to do a complete all blue look, put some natural colors in here, some cream, some brown, some other colors than just the blues, or you're gonna get like crazy blue looks all the time. But it's still stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you and you and you and you will be notified every single time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.